Hello everyone, it's 2nd December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have SC gives CBI free hand to stop digital arrest scams. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Centre moves bill for Pan Masala says and higher duties on tobacco products. Again, very important. Then we have IIP in October slips to 14-month low. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have farm fires in Punjab, Haryana have episodic impact on Delhi NCR air quality, says Centre. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Sood announces 21 crore initiative to provide free coaching to Delhi government school students. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have Maharashtra all set for first phase of local body elections on EVMs today. Again, very important for quality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have why does India need bio-remediation? Again, very important. Then we have can India become self-reliant in REE production? Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have on the mountain state vote reading political landscapes through geography. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have bioterrorism, a serious threat, world not ready, says S. J. Shankar. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have armed forces to procure additional Heron Mk2 UAVs. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have regional language education offered in 16% of KVs, says government data. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Lok Sabha passes Manipur GST bill amid disruptions over SIR. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have 9 major bank fraud accused among 15 fugitive economic offenders, says government. And then we have farmers cannot be made scapegoats for air pollution in national capital, says Supreme Court. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have GST collections slip on rate reduction to 1.7 lakh crore in November. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have GST cut propels November automobile wholesales. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Hasina, her British lawmaker niece found guilty in Bangladesh graft case. Again, very important. Then we have Trump confirms call with Maduro. Venezuela slams the US preparations for attack. Then we have international community pledges support as Sri Lanka toll climbs to 390. Then we have PM Modi called Sri Lankan president to offer continued support with cyclone relief. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.